but you probably know so I'm probably going to stop doing it. So, and that was just this video is called just to let you know if as you've noticed. And this video is, I've made this video because just to let you know some of the things I'm going to be doing and some of the things that I'm going to be saying in the past videos, or I should have said in the past videos. Okay. And soon, guys, I'm going to be like doing free plays of like Xbox 360 games, cheats. But I might do Alien vs Predators soon. And you don't have to subscribe anyone or like it or dislike it, it's just to let you know. And also, before I end this video, there's a channel that I like you to go to. It's Maddie D'Souza. So